It's beautiful. It's very me and
How
very
comfortable are you? Main.
I'm
That's
very
the thing.
comfortable. I can run. I can even run in them.
Oh my
You want
God.
me to show you?
Oh, all
I
right.
can.
Okay.
I can jump in them as well. So I'm just saying they're really comfortable shoes.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is something that no other girl has ever said to me while wearing heels. All right. Okay. So well, one question to you as well. I mean, what is that one fashion accessory that you just cannot leave your home without? One fashion accessory that you carry always.
Well, it has to be your attitude. It has to be your attitude no matter what you're wearing. So I could have walked in here with these heels or a pair of flats from Aldo. And it has to be the attitude that I walk in with.
But your fashion, attitude, and a lot of other things. Okay. All right. Well, there you go, people. Start shooting.
Can I?
All right. Requesting all of you to please ask questions related only to Aldo.
So Valusha, which is that thing in a footwear, what you just look up for to be the fan of that footwear?
Like I said, comfort is very important to a woman because, I mean, we like to wear heels at all times. It just gives you that grace, that poise, and, makes you feel really good about yourself. So if you're picking a pair of heels, they have to last you through the night or through the day. So I think a woman's always looking for comfort as far as footwear is concerned.
Okay, when it comes to looking fashionable, do you think that brands are really necessary to look fashionable?
No, again, I've already said it. It's a lot got to do with your attitude. So you won't find me. I'm not very brand conscious, but whatever I wear, I need to make sure that it's an extension of who I am. So I could be wearing a very expensive pair or one that is available to, anyone. But if you have the right attitude, it'll take you.
One USP that why we should prefer. Yes, one USP that why we should prefer Aldo.
Again, they're very comfortable footwear. You walk into the store, you will find a pair of shoes for almost every occasion, in fact, every occasion, not almost, every occasion. From flats to something that you could wear to the beach, to something you could wear when you're going to work or to a night out. So it's a one-stop shop where you will find everything under one roof. Well, Aldo is what it is today. After Fan, things have really changed for me drastically. A lot of doors have opened. I am reading a lot of stuff. I'm meeting a lot of new people in life. And I'm very excited about this phase. Of course, this phase in life is one where you meet a lot of people who give you a lot of advice, what to do, how to do, who to meet, who your next movie should be with. But I'm quite excited. I've signed up something with Excel Entertainment, which I can announce in the next few weeks, possibly. But it is a very exciting time for me.
And yes, a lot of people have become your fans as well after Fan. Yes.
Okay,
Right.
After doing a film with Shah Rukh, now you're working with Excel. That too, that Excel belongs to Ritesh Sidhwani and Farhan Akhtar. If you can
Right.
throw some more light on that. I know it's too early to talk about, but still want to know.
It's a very clean slate right now. Acting is what I do and what I love doing. And I think the focus is just going to be on making sure that I stay true to who I am as an actor and, move forward with that. So right now for me, it's just going after things that I believe in.
Okay, post-Fan, how many offers comes in a day?
Well, in an ideal world, it would be a lot more. But I must say, it is a constant, if you want to call it struggle, because you're trying to live up to a lot of expectations. You're trying to better yourself every day. You're working on yourself. So I'm hoping that there's a lot more that comes my way.
What does fashion mean to you, and what are the most comfortable outfits or footwear that you would prefer?
So fashion for me is an extension of my personality, and it should be for everyone. It's an extension of who they are, really. So as far as that is concerned, you'd always see me in denims. You'd always see me in shirts that are a larger size possibly and comfortable footwear. I am trying to change that because I have a manager here who's right here, who's whipping me and saying you need to change. So yeah, I am going a little goth. I think I am taking risks a little bit, but I'm a calculated risk taker. So, and it shows as far as my fashion is concerned.
So, as you said that you are trying to change.
Yes.
So, is it not that you're going out of your comfort zone, and then how can you be comfortable with that changes?
No, I'll never go away and very far away from my comfort zone. So even today, if I've decided to dress up a little bit, I'm still sticking to pants except that they're not figure hugging and they're a little more loose. So it will always be true to who I am in a sense, but a little bit of experimentation here and there.
Okay, after fan, there's a long way to go, Valusha, but still want to know if you want to be in a same frame with the leading man of yours, given a choice, Ranbir Kapoor or Ranveer Singh, whom do you love to work with?
Oh, that's a tough one, but I think Ranveer Singh is a crazy guy, and I think he'll bring the crazy in me, and yeah, so I would go for Ranveer Singh.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so very much, Valusha. You can definitely check out the rest of our collection as well. And thank you so very much for coming here. You can definitely pose with the new collection. Thank you so very much.
Hello, chick.
Look left, look left, look left.